Okay, this is the test drive for the 99 Volvo S80. Okay, started up without a problem. We're going to turn on the air here. See how the air feels. Horn works. Let's check out reverse. Reverse works. Feels like a very smooth ride. I don't feel any alignment problems. The AC feels like it's getting cold. Okay, let's switch it to the heater. Also, I have the heated seat on, and that is getting warm, so the heated seat works. The car is getting hot, so the heat is working. Let's check the radio.
How about this for a wake-up call?
Radio works. Out, we'll show you the engine. As you can see, the engine is fairly clean. Over here it has a belt change. It was changed at 108,000 miles on 10/17/11. Also says that the ECU has an IPD upgrade. We come over here. It has a note that says a K&N filter installed on April 7th, 2001 at 31,000 miles. Okay, we'll check the windows. All right. So both left door window works.